Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, you guys must be thinking, what the hell did I show in the first 3 seconds? Yeah, I'm here near a lagoon. This is a lagoon town called Kalpitiya here in Sri Lanka, and this area right over here just behind me in this lagoon is famous for its crabs, prawns and fish. So my uncle and we rode from Colombo to here, which is around 140 to 200 kilometers from our house there in Colombo. And we came here to do one thing, solely one thing. My uncle has a friend in Japan, not Tino, but a friend in Japan. He wants to send dry fish to him. So this area, there is a lot of dry fish and the processing and everything. So you guys will see how the traditional, the Sri Lankan way the dry fish is made. So my my mission for today is to find these dry fish places where they have these, and then to to show you how the process is being done, and for me also to see how it's processed. And well, just as I was driving by, I saw this tower. Looks like a water tower. Well, of course, if it's something to climb, Wonderboy does climb. Yeah, I wish it was a ladder that I could climb, but it's basically the steps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna climb this and then see how it looks like from the very top. Let's go. Jesus Christ, steep steps. Those islands are like lagoon kind of islands. There's a boat, that's the city right over there. There's a boat coming over here, right over here. Wow, this is amazing. I hope the wind doesn't kill the audio. I'm trying to protect the footage. Oh, well, surely there have been two. Wait, solid as it gets. There's been 2 water tanks over here, and there's this mark. So yeah, this is, oh wow, I'm at the very top. Wow, there's a boat. It's going again. Of course, a fishing village, a fishing town. Sounds quite, looks quite good. I can go over here and then check the water as well. That sounds fun. Well, that's the tower that I climbed, as I said, to the little it's still the lagoon. It's not the beach. I honestly thought it was the beach, but it's not the beach. It's the lagoon still. But hey, there's a water well over here. Smells bad. Wow, the sand looks good, just like white sand. Whew. White sand. That's lovely. Here it is. Woohoo! Lovely little river bank. All to myself, nobody else. Over here, just all by myself. My singing sucks, I know. If I did sing good, I would be in, The Voice, Sri Lanka or something. Be singing some Bob Marley's reggae music. Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. You really don't have much time, but I really want to have a dip in. But then again, I have this fear of not drowning, just like in the Philippines, of like getting my foot under this. It surely would not go. Let me walk in a bit, and then this tower. Well, it's muddy. It's muddy. It is muddy. Well, the water feels really good, but it is freaking muddy. Yeah, so there is like seagrass over here. I mean, not seagrass, basically like lagoon grass, I would say. I mean, whatever the plant that the fish eat. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Trouser got effed up. And yep, that's what happened. Yep, my legs became dark and my trouser got effed up. Let me show it to you guys. Let me give the phone to my uncle. Yep. This is what happens. Shit. Well, Now we do the magic. Swipey, swipey. Well, while I'm under this shack over here, this coconut shack, let me speak a bit of history. So Kalpitiya, this entire strip, right over here on this Sri Lankan map, this town, this area was first colonized or captured by the Dutch, and they even made a fort here. But due to the to the past civil fights that's been going here in Sri Lanka, which was for 30 years, the war I would say, that place has been a bit destroyed, just like in Jaffna. So I mean, this entire area is mainly there is a lot of Sinhalese, but Sinhalese Christians, as I would say, yeah, Sinhalese Christians, and the local community over here around this area, this fishing village or this fishing town, they mainly speak Tamil. So I mean, this area, this the north part of Sri Lanka, the main language that they talk and speak is Tamil. It's not Sinhalese. I don't speak myself Tamil, but I just know two words, sapuringa, which means hungry or food. So whenever I say that, I get food. I mean, check this out. Now Sri Lanka, check this out. This is a freaking dry fish, a big ass dry fish. Well, here it is. This is how they are processed. Oh, wow, the fish is actually really fresh. Uncle, මේ මාළු දවස් කීයක් වගේද? අද? Wow. This is today, guys. Like, the fish is being caught today and it's like processed today itself. This is how it's done. ඇතුළට කමක් නැද්ද? Huh? මම ගන්න නැහැ. Video කරලා විතරයි. They're just making fun of me, but I'll take the fish, the dry fish. Wow, this is freaking fresh. Wow. This indeed is super fresh. And it smells really good as well. I know some of you guys will be like really disgusted or be saying, oh Jeremy, don't show me. I mean, this is the real stuff that you guys eat. And it's really good. කොහොමද මේ දවස්වල බිස්නස්? වාරකට කාලේ උලං ගන්න කාලේ මේ වාරකම් වුනේ. මාළු ගාට අඩු ගණන් වැඩි. මාළු අඩුයි ගණන් වැඩි. මාළු අඩු වෙද්දි ගාන වැඩි වෙනවා ඉතින්. This is super fresh. අරාරිය තියෙන්නේ. අර බිම දාලා තියෙන්නේ. අපේ එක තමයි ගිල බලන්න. ඈ? බලන්න ගිල. අතෙන්ට ගිල බලන්න. අංකල්ගේ මේද? Yeah. Thank you. Hari, oh, kenapa kan? Mama gana. Mama, hari mama kiwa gana. Well, he said, I think he's the chief in charge. He said just to, go and check everything. I said I'm gonna, do the video and stuff. He said, go and check everything. If somebody says something, just, tell Mama said. So maybe that's how they, call him Mama. Wow, these are the baskets. Holy crap! This is how it's freaking processed. The small fish. Hello. Big boys. Think. මේ මොනවද? කට්ටද? මේක මොකද්ද? Katta is like one of the finest dry fish here in Sri Lanka that you guys can find. I mean, holy freaking crap. They're processing it over there, they're turning it around. මේ දවස් කීයක් වගේ එවද මේ? දවස් කීයක් වගේද මේ? දවස් කීයක් වගේ පරණද මේ? දවසෙන් එනවා? දවස් දෙකක් දාන්න ඕනේ. අද දවසයි ඊට පස්සේ Oh, so what he said was it takes 2 days. So the first day they wash it, then the second day they in the morning they wash it and they put it. Then 2 days again they have to turn it around. Wow, this is freaking cool. I mean, let me go explore more. That's the chief in charge. This is fucking amazing. I mean, I told Uncle what YouTube is, like the mama, as he called himself. I told him what YouTube is, and then he had no jack shit idea. I mean, he does not even know what a international, a travel vlog or something. Then I had to explain it to him. This is how it is. I had to show him my channel and all the stuff. It's pretty cool. I mean, there's a lot of people in this area, they don't have smartphones. They have really small, tiny phones. You guys can see right over here, there's some more fish. It's really cool. Ooh, there's your seller right over here. It's picking up the smaller fish. Oh. That's where they, they just pick these up. Carella. That's Sprat. I think pretty much how the process goes is they just ride over there and they give it to these people, and then they just pretty cool. I mean, it's super windy, guys. You can tell, really forgive me for this because it's freaking windy over here. There's another guy over here doing this fish. I mean, this is the local processing way. I mean, this is pretty local how it can ever be. This is, I mean, not many tourists get to see this. I mean, I don't know, I've never seen a video regarding this, or I've never seen a tourist come and showcase this kind of stuff. I mean, wow. So those nets, whatever are there, those are for prawns. That's how they catch prawns in this lagoon. Well, he's taking a nature walk. It's Marco's friend. This is flipping cool because I've never experienced, I've never seen. Of course, I'd love to eat this dry fish and all this stuff, but I've never seen how they're processed. So they put these mats and they put the fish. This is flipping cool. Yeah, we're gonna buy a hell lot of fish today, that's for sure. As I said just like a moment ago, I'm super freaking excited to see this because I've never ever seen the process. I mean, it's only seen this like in freaking TV or just people say about this. In Sinhalese we call this karola wadiya. Wadiya means like a spot or house. So usually when you're a little kid, when you do mischievous stuff, your parents usually they say, which means I'm gonna give you to a karola, to a place like this, to a dry fish processing spot. It's kind of funny because it's really the humidity is really bad. I mean, it's super freaking warm here. I think it's around 33, 34 Celsius degrees over here. So that's how it is. I mean, this is like a big area. I mean, if you guys can see over here, they process it over here as well. There as well. I mean, there is some fish over here as well. They put these CDs because it reflects, and the fish, I mean, sorry, not the fish, it reflects, and the crows, they don't come. But Jeremy the Crow being today, me being Jeremy the Crow, I've come as a live animal. Those are crows, because of the reflection, it scares them away. That's how it's done. I mean, it's flipping cool. Guys, flipping cool. Oh, this is fresh as well. Let me see. I mean, it's not disgusting. I mean, it's. I really thought it was like really really bad. I mean, the smell and all, but it looks good. And now I know what I'm eating. So yeah, do I recommend to eat this? Hell yeah! I mean, these people, they even live by the beaches. As you guys can see, they even make a house. They have their houses around here. Small little beach shack, huts right over here. Because I've read a book. Uncle, you get it? Oh well, people are super. I just asked him, shall I come in to see the house? So this is how a fishman's house. Hello. Amma. Achi komada? Sanipana aye?
Vetila konde amma.
Konde? Nevela. Litiyange. Harabitiya. Hamma vayasara yaddi oka yana. Kusiyada? Well, a little bit of an invasion over here. Achi hari parisang mangandang ganante. Wow. There's everything. Little fish, little stove, a firewood stove over here, and then there is her what is this, like salt, pepper and all those stuff. The dishes, grandma has kept the kitchen really good. And of course a toothbrush. Pretty cool. And a rat trap. Living cool. Ooh, really short. Kaurut nane? It's flipping cool, like, you know, coconut leaves, house, the bed. It's a really small house. They have, you know, they have everything. I think that's their daughter. It's really cool. Of course, the statues, they speak Tamil as well. Like a cupboard. Wow. A net, of course. Wow. This man is great. Thank you. Bomastuti. It's living cool. And of course, for the coronavirus, they have a mask. It's flipping cool. Just by the beach itself, they live the life. The hood is amazing. I mean, he just, you know, he's a man. He works in these Karola Wadi. I mean, yeah, dry fish processing spot. Bye, grandma. This is amazing. I mean, this is what they do. This is what they brought up with. This is how they live. This is what they, you know, lived up with. They grew up with. Flipping amazing, right? But do they care about the mask and stuff? Hell no, because they don't give a flying F. They don't really care about it. And here it is. My uncle's friend bought some full bag of dried fish. Straight away, and there is some more. Well, that's it for today, guys. From here, this is flipping awesome and amazing experience. I mean, thanks to him, he showed me his house. Thanks to Mama over there to show me all around. Flipping cool. That's it for today, guys. You know, it's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully for my birthday on August 23rd. It's gonna be a live stream. So catch you guys live. You know, it's my birthday, so everybody wish me a happy birthday. That's the only request that I give. Adios from this beautiful sunny side of Sri Lanka called Kalpitiya. Adios.